friends, welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making a real Czech classic, Znojmo-Style beef with pickles. If you grew up on school lunches, this one will bring memories. Start with the beef and cut it into smaller cubes. Try to keep the pieces roughly the same size so they cook evenly. And if the meat is slightly chilled, it's actually easier to cut. Little kitchen hack. Heat some oil or lard in a pan and let it get properly hot. Add the beef, season with salt and ground black pepper and let it sear. Give it a moment before you stir. Browning equals flavor. If it sticks a little at first, that's fine. It will release on its own. And don't panic if the pan looks dry. The beef will release its juices as it cooks. Take a look at the beef, nicely sealed with a bit of color and some natural juices in the pan. Now add the mustard. At this point it's already turning into a light sauce, so just stir and let the mustard melt into those juices. Nothing dramatic happens here, it just slowly blends and deepens the flavor. This is one of those quiet steps that makes the final sauce taste right. Pour in the beef broth and stir everything together. Let it heat up slowly until it starts to simmer. No boiling here. Once you see gentle bubbles, lower the heat to the minimum, cover it, and let it cook quietly. This is where the beef relaxes, softens, and the base of the sauce really starts to form. Finally, mince the onion. Heat a little oil in separate pan. Add the onion and saute gently. You are aiming for soft and lightly golden, not brown. This slow cooking brings out the sweetness and keeps the sauce balanced. Cut the bacon into smaller pieces, about half an inch wide. Not too small, we want little bites that stay juicy. They will release fat and flavor later. And that's exactly what we want. Add the bacon to the pan with the onion. Let them cook together for a few minutes, just until the bacon starts releasing its fat. You don't want it crispy. Soft bacon works better in the sauce. The onion takes on that smoky flavor and everything becomes nicely aromatic. This mixture is going to round out the sauce later without overpowering it. Add the bacon and onion mixture to the beef. Give it a gentle stir so everything combines. From here, let it simmer together. This is where all those flavors start merging into one. Slice the pickles thinly. Not too thick, not paper thin. Just enough so they soften slightly but still keep their shape in the sauce. Now look at that, gently bubbling, everything coming together nicely. Add the sliced pickles and stir them in. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. The pickles slowly soften and release their flavor into the sauce. They balance the richness without taking over. This is what gives Znojmo sauce its signature character. We like them just right, not too soft, not too crunchy, just enough bite. At this point the sauce should already have a nice body. If you like it a bit thicker, you can add a little flour or simple roux. Totally optional. This dish doesn't need a heavy sauce. Just the gentle thickening is enough to keep everything silky and balanced. If you skip it, it's still perfect. Serve it with cooked rice and maybe little green onions on top to make the plate more colorful. This is one of those simple dishes that taste even better the next day. Thanks for watching Simply Food Recipes. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more cozy classics. See you next time.